Good afternoon and welcome to the bid opening for the FY25 HVAC renovations at Barnstable Intermediate School. And this is also the bid opening of the FY25 airport carrier vehicle with snowplow and material spreader. We're going to start with the HVAC renovations at Barnstable Intermediate School bid opening. Today is January 2nd, 2025, and it is 12 p.m. noon. This bid opening is being recorded and will be posted on the Town of Barnstable Channel 18 website. My name is Danielle Laminin, and I am a purchasing agent here for the Town of Barnstable. We ask you to please remain on mute. The results will be posted on the bonfire procurement portal and emailed to all plan holders at the conclusion of this bid opening. Now we're going to go ahead and I'll share my screen so that you can see the bid opening in bonfire. One moment. Okay, so now as you can see, we're in bonfire. I'm going to go ahead and open up the documents. Okay, so we go one by one, unsealing each of the documents. And you can see the date and the timestamp as we unseal the documents. Okay, everything's unsealed, so now we'll go over to submissions. And you can see we received one submission. It's for CAM HVAC and Construction Incorporated. It was received today, January 2nd, 2025 at 11:50 a.m. First, we'll go ahead and open up the form for general bid. Okay, so we have CAM HVAC and Construction Incorporated, acknowledging addendums 1 and 2. The proposed contract price is $6,297,000.00. And then scrolling down, you have the bid amount for alternate number 1, which is duct cleaning scope throughout the entire building. And this is $207,077.00. And then we have for the subtrade electrical, we have the name of the sub bidder is Boston Electrical and Telephone Corp. For a total of $237,370. Okay, and everything is signed. I'm gonna go back. And the next document we're going to open is the combined certificate. All right, and that is signed and included. And go to the DCAM certificate. And there's the DCAM certificate for HVAC signed and included. And lastly, we will pull up the bid bond. And there's the bid bond signed and included. All right, so that concludes the bid opening for the FY25 HVAC renovations at Barnstable Intermediate School. We have one bid and the bid is under review. We are available by email or phone if you have any questions, and this concludes our bid opening. Thank you for joining us. Now we will switch over to the bid opening for the FY25 airport carrier vehicle with snowplow and material spreader. So let's go back here. Okay, so just to repeat, this bid opening is being recorded and it's being posted on the Town of Barnstable Channel 18 website. We asked you to please remain on mute, and the results will be posted in the bonfire procurement portal and emailed to all plan holders at the conclusion of this bid opening. And we'll go ahead to the submissions. And we received one submission. It is MB Companies Incorporated, received December 30th, 2024 at 12:04 p.m. So go to request information and unseal the documents. Everything is date and time stamped when it's unsealed in the bonfire system. One. Okay, over to our submission. And like we said, this is MB Companies Incorporated. We'll go ahead and open up the form for general bid. Okay, total bid price is $628,165.00. $628,165.00. Acknowledging addendums 1 and 2. Everything is signed. And then next, we'll just open up the certificate of compliance. Okay, the certificate of non-collusion and the state tax certification clause, that's signed and included. So for this bid, we have one bidder. This bid is under review. We are available by email or phone if you have any questions. And this concludes our bid opening for both projects, FY25 airport carrier vehicle with snowplow and material spreader, and FY25 HVAC renovations at the Barnstable Intermediate School. Thank you for joining us.